How do you cancel a Spotify subscription? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can cancel a Spotify subscription. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, to cancel a Spotify subscription is fairly simple, but this cannot be done using the app. You have to open up your browser and just go to spotify.com and log into the account of which you want to cancel the subscription. Now, in my case, I don't have premium, but I can still show you. So once you log in from your browser, tap the gear icon from the top right and then just go to this tab that says view accounts. And when you come to the view account tab, you should be able to see one of the options that says manage your plan. So you can go to manage your plan, and if you have a premium plan, you'll find the option to switch to the free version instead. Now in my case, I have a free, so you're seeing join premium, but if you have the free ones, you'll find the option to switch to the premium and vice versa. So this way you should be able to cancel a Spotify subscription. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.